Guys, the other video cut off, so this one's gonna be edited into the another one. So that, yes, I'm getting this. I'm getting this.
We're gonna get that, then why are we getting brownies?
This is for me.
I know, but you're gonna eat these too.
Not all at once.
Not just Pete. My hair on that. Hang on, look at him right there.
Hey. Look at this little camera.
Insert cash or slide.
Wait, let me get a drink. No, I have a drink.
Oh, yeah.
He already has two.
Get him 2 more.
Alright, guys, see you back in the car. Okay, guys, I can't see y'all back in the car because they talk too much. So, what I'm going to do is see y'all at the beach. Bye. Okay, guys, we're lost. Where's the car? Oh, man. We're lost, guys. Ever have one of those days when you're lost? Where's it at? Can't find the car.
Isn't that right there, Mark?
Oh, never mind. We found it, guys. See you at the beach. See this? Oh, it's real good. We're here, guys. And I'm guessing the birds over there are waiting for food. Oh, and I already started eating this. Oh, my feet hurt. I'm not getting wet, just some dirty, mucky water. What?
Take them to the water.
I'm not getting in that water. Hey guys, so I tried recording and it's bad lighting, so they're gonna take him swimming. They're gonna take him swimming. What makes you think I am? I told you I don't like beach water. I'm finna just lay down. I'm lay out in the sand. That's it. It's cloudy, so I won't get burned. She said she'll get off in a little bit. Okay, guys, you wanna know what the beach looks like? Ain't nobody here. And all the seagulls waiting for food. Which we are gonna feed the seagulls, but I ain't getting in the water and I ain't feeding the seagulls. All I'm gonna do is lay down. I'm gonna be tell my grandma about me. By the way, thank you, Grandma. I love you. I'm bored. Look at him. I told him I'm not getting in the water and he gets in. Edward! Edward, you having fun? I can't even see myself. I can't even. Hey! Go all the way out like them! She's over there. She's over there. Oh my god, it's cold! Pete, don't go any further than that, because if you do, you're going to drown. Oh! I'm so taking a bath when I get home. What does that say? I think it said, somebody I love you hard. Guys, I can't even see myself. Oh, I can barely see myself. The sun needs to come out so I can see myself. Look at those people out there, guys. Look at those people. They gonna die. Oh, hell no. don't know if they're trying to cross the ocean, but they're gonna die. Oh, hell no. Guys, look. He's feeding the birds. I'm gonna laugh if they take the whole thing up. Dude, they're gonna kill peas. Alright guys, I'm gonna see y'all laying down, watch. I think this was a bad idea, guys, because look, they're coming after me. Yeah, I'm laying in the sand, and I got sand all over my camera. So if you see a little blurry, I'm sorry, because there's sand everywhere. Is that a football? Edward! You idiot! Look, there's a football! Edward! Edward! Right there! Right there! Edward, come here! And you'll see it's right there! Huh? Sorry for the screaming, guys. Look, right there. Did you not see it? Now go wash it off in the water.
Looking for a big football. Why don't y'all want to eat that?
It's not bread. Look, guys, sand. I was wondering if I could find a hermit crab in the sand. Is this a shell or part of a shell? Oh, this is pretty, but it's like plastic. I'm looking for shells. That's what I'm gonna do. Look for shells. There it is. Whoa. Oh my god, look, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put you here and look for. I'm going to look for shells. Oh, rock sand. That is satisfying. Sorry for the wind, guys. I know it's very windy. I will try and talk louder when it's very windy, but when it's not, it'll be okay. It'll be fine. This is a rock. This rock is very pretty, guys. Look. That's awesome. I'm keeping that. I'm gonna use a stick to dig. Guys, look. This is so pretty. I need a bottle or something to put all these in. I'm just like building a hill. Look what I made in the sand, guys.